Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Tahira Barkar from Peshawar Model School, Nushaira. So here I am with your August SVT and hope you have enjoyed your Eid and a month break from your SVT. But now it's your August SVT and you have to take it from your school, or you can also have it in PDF form in your class wise groups. So this is your SVT in front of you on the screens. But before starting the questions, let me tell you one to two important things. First thing is that as you have given your assessments for the month of July, so earlier you have done the SVTs of April and May and June, but in your July assessment your marks of SVT for the month of April and May will be included, and your marks of June and August SVT will be included in your September assessment. As you have your assessment in July for the from the syllabus of May and April SVT, now in September you will have your assessment from your June and August SVT. So when you are taking your lecture, listen to it clearly and attentively so that you can understand it and the assessment becomes easy for you to attempt. Clear? And second thing is, if you have any one of you has not done or taken the SVT of April, May and June from school, so do it, take it from school, or if you have and you have not done, so complete it. All the videos for the SVT of the SVT of April and May and June are on your school's YouTube channel and on WhatsApp also. So take guidance from there. Everything is explained in the videos, and complete your task and submit it in your school. Third thing is that as your it's 1.5 month, it's been 1.5 month that your online classes has been started. So you have most of you are taking classes, but if any one of you is not aware of these classes, so start taking your classes so you do not waste your time and use this free time when you are staying at home usefully. Three things I told you, so try to complete all your work which is assigned to you by your school, by your teachers, on time. Okay, now let's move towards your August SVT. The first thing written here is oral. Learn unit number 1 and 2 from notes. On your portal, on your ID, notes are given and method is told to you, so you have to open that and open your notes and learn unit number 1 and 2. If you are not finding anything that is not from unit 2, so it means that you have that part is from your English B, so learn that part which is provided to you on your portal. Clear? This is your first task which you have to do, that start learning unit number 1 and 2 and the questions or the things given in your portal. Next written work is here. Read unit number 1 and 2 carefully and answer the following questions. First question is, define Pika Pika in your own words. This question is quite easy, and I hope by reading and understanding in your Zoom online classes you have understood this lecture, but again I will explain you that what this question demands and what will be your answer. Second question is, define an insect which can be helpful. These two questions are we are going to do in this video, but first one is on page number 4. So first I will tell you that how you will attempt this question. This is your unit number 1 and this is the first paragraph of unit number 1. In this paragraph all the information is given about Pika Pika. So the first question was define Pika Pika in your own words. So from here you will take information and you will write in that answer. Clear? Next question is define an insect which can be helpful. For answering this question, first you have to read unit number 2. Your task is that you have to read unit number 2. This is unit number 2, page number 9. The name of unit is Insect Inspect and question number 2 is all about this. Read this page number 9. This is very easy. The information is about the insects. Read it out and I will tell you in the next video the answer of this question, that how define an insect which can be helpful. कि कौन सा जो इंसेक्ट होता है, कीड़ा होता है जो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल साबित होता है. इसका आंसर आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू दैट व्हाट द क्वेश्चन डिमांड्स. क्या उसमें आपसे पूछा जा रहा है. दिस इज योर टास्क टू रीड दिस पेज केयरफुली एंड अंडरस्टैंड. और फिर आपने सोचना है कि इसमें कौन सा जो पार्ट है वो क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड है, उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन आपने अपने पास लिखनी है. और फिर इस आंसर में आप अपना आंसर भी जो आपने लिखा है उसको भी लिख सकते हो और जो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करवाऊंगी वो भी आप कर सकते हो. दिस इज योर टास्क. गोइंग बैक टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Here is the information that Pika Pika is the old name for a magpie. It's a clever birds. They are lazy. They steal things from others. These are the information given in first paragraph and you have to write 3 to 4 points in your answer in your own words. Clear? I hope these two questions are very much clear to you and try to answer them properly because this is all written over here on page number 4. So that's all for today. We will do question number 2 properly in the next video and you have to read unit number 2 first page. Clear? Till the next lecture, Allah Hafiz.